Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about how to enhance possibly to the maximum of +8 enhancement for your weapon or equipment here in Yulgang Global. So as you can see guys, this my other account already has this legendary equipment, and so I will show you how to enhance this using this other account. So let's just go here. Let's just use this one and let's go. So what you can do guys is you can see this on the right side, this artifact. Okay, just click on it, and as you can see, when you click on use artifact, you can see that you must reach at least level 50. Okay, so this account already level 42. But still, I still have a long way to go before I can use this weapon. So to enhance this, guys, every day, even if you are not using it yet, you have the chance to enhance this 3 times a day. So what you just need to do, guys, is to click this arrow, okay, and then click on confirm. But be sure that this arrow stops on the red color, because when you do, this will give you +8, and then the orange color will give you +5, and the yellow will give you +3. So we need to stop it on the red color. So let's just try. Okay, we got +8. Okay, another one. Another +8. The last one. Oh, I only got +5. So after that, guys, let's say you already have this. When you reach level 50, then you can use this weapon. But guys, there will be, let's say you are already in level 60 and you have the chance to use this weapon. Be sure guys that the completion is 100%, because even if you are already in level 50, let's say, or even in level 49, you can still you can already use this. But the problem guys is the completion of this equipment is not yet 100%, and you can still use it, but the problem is it will have a low progress of when you enhance when you're already using it, and unlike when it is it's still in this area, it will be fast to enhance this. So that's it. You just have to reach this level 100% of completion before you use this artifact. So that's all guys, and I will see you on my next video.
Thank you so much again guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, always keep safe and God bless.